In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on the Trello app. If you're looking to update your security or simply want to refresh your login credentials, this guide will help you through each step in the process. Let's dive right in and make sure you're comfortable with these steps so you can keep your Trello account secure. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Trello.com. This is the main page where you'll initiate the process of logging into your account. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the web page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your Trello account. On the login page, you have two convenient options to access your account. You can either enter your login credentials using your email and password, or if it's more convenient for you, log in with your Google account. Selecting either option will direct you to your personalized Trello dashboard. Once logged in, locate your account icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on this icon and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Account, which will take you to the settings related to your profile and various other configurations. Upon reaching the Manage Account section, look for the Security tab. Clicking on this will lead you to the security settings where you can make changes to your password. Before you proceed with creating a new password, you'll need to enter your current password. This is a crucial security step to verify your identity and ensure that the changes you make are authorized. After entering your current password, it's time to create a new password. You'll be asked to enter this new password twice to confirm that you've typed it correctly. Be sure your new password is strong. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Once you're satisfied with your new password choice, click on Save Changes to finalize the update. This action confirms the new password settings and will be the password you use moving forward whenever you access your Trello account. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully updated your Trello password, helping to maintain the security of your account. Remember, regularly updating your passwords is a great practice to protect your online accounts. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day using Trello.